How to use Xfinity Internet with YouTube TV. You can use Xfinity Internet with YouTube TV by connecting your compatible devices to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow these steps to set up and start streaming. Step 1. Set up Xfinity Internet. Ensure your Xfinity Internet is active and working correctly. Connect your modem and router per Xfinity setup instructions. Step 2. Connect devices to Wi-Fi. On your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, connect to your home Wi-Fi network powered by Xfinity Internet. Step 3. Download the YouTube TV app. Visit the App Store, iOS, Google Play Store, Android, or your device's App Store, Roku, Fire TV, or Smart TV. Search for YouTube TV and download the app. Step 4. Sign up or sign in to YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app or visit tv.youtube.com from a web browser. Sign up for YouTube TV if you're a new user, or sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 5. Start watching YouTube TV. Browse the live, home, or library sections to find your favorite shows and channels. Select a program and start streaming using your Xfinity Internet connection. Step 6. Optimize internet speed, optional. Ensure smooth streaming by placing the router centrally. Position your router in a central location for better Wi-Fi coverage. Upgrading your internet plan. Consider a higher speed Xfinity Internet plan if multiple devices will stream simultaneously. Using a wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable if your streaming device supports it for a stable connection.